Hello, how you doing? Hopefully good. Today we have the Dinosaur Fossils Triceratops Skull with 468 pieces, released in 2025, and is set number 76969. So that's pretty cool. Here's the back. Let us start the build. Bag 1. Bag 2. Bag 3. Bag 4, and bag 5. Here you've got the sticker and the instructions. Okay. Let's open bag 1. Let's go ahead and build the minifigure. Alright, this is the minifigure. It is a small child. And then you can make them smile with teeth. It's a her. I'm pretty sure it's a her, I think. Maybe. I don't know. It's 2025. It doesn't really matter. We'll set them off to the side. Her off to the side. Whatever. Let us start the build. Okay, so bag 1 is done. Extra pieces include all of these. And this is bag 1. So you have like the little fossil area with the magnifying glass and the shovel, and then you have the info thing. And then you got some amber. It's not focusing. Amber. So that's pretty cool. Bag 2. let us start the build. Okay. Extra piece include that. That's the extra piece. This is. Oh, I guess that's there too. This is what bag 1 was able to build. Looking like a Triceratops. I'll tell you what. That right there. This is a Triceratops. Bag 3. Okay, let's get into the build. Okay, bag 3 is done. This is what the Triceratops is looking like. You got the eyes and the bottom half of the jaw. It's, still doesn't really look like a Triceratops, but we'll get there. Oh, wait, I skipped a step. Okay, there we go. Now it looks like a Triceratops. Right? We'll move on to the next step. I almost fell over. Bag 4. Oh yeah, bag 3 didn't have any leftover pieces. I used them all on the Triceratops. Okay, let's get into the build. Bag 4. Yay. The Triceratops is taking shape. Okay. This time we do have extra pieces. These. Bag 5. Okay, let us start the build. Well, I did it. No extra pieces for this bag either. Here's the finished product. So you got the skull, which, by the way, the skull is pretty easy to remove. If you wanted to, you could put it on like that. That's what the back of a Triceratops skull looks like, according to LEGO. forward. So that's pretty cool. Okay, bye.